Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this is the last look in Diwali series guys. This is the look number 6 where I've created a very simple and elegant makeup look that you can pair it up with your kurta, your jeans and top, and even with your saris. It's gonna look beautiful. So yeah, if this is of interest for you guys, then please keep watching. But before that, please click on the bell button and also subscribe button so that you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first guys, I'm going to be applying lip balm. For that I'm going to use Biotic Biofruit Lip Balm. So I've been really liking it guys. As I always say, this has taken care of the pigmentation that I have. So I've applied a generous layer of it, and my skin, I've just washed my face and my skin feels very dry. I don't know, maybe because of aging. So for that I'm going to use Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer guys. So this again is a beautiful product. I've loved this moisturizer under makeup guys. It really takes care of the dryness, and it also lets your makeup sit beautifully on your skin. So I'm going to take a generous amount again and I'm going to apply all over my face. And give a nice little massage. I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes guys, like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'll get into foundation. And guys, for foundation today I want a very matte finish because I've always been doing dewy finishes. So for today I'm going to do a very matte, soft matte look for my skin because I want to keep my lips glossy. So I'm going to keep my base pretty matte. So for that I'm going to use Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. So guys, I'll put all the information of the products in the description box below for you guys, so please check it out there. So I'm just going to take some product in my hand like so, and I'm just with the help of the beauty blender, I'll blend it all over my face. And for concealer guys, I want to use something brightening. So I want my center of the face bright. So for that I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. So this again is a very full coverage foundation. Sadly it isn't available in India yet. But if you can get your hands on it, please get guys, because it's really very good concealer. So I'm just going to apply tad bit under the eyes, on the nose, Cupid's bow, chin and center of the forehead. That's a little bit here and little on the lid as well. So I'm going to blend it all with the beauty blender. Did you see how much this has instantly brightened the under eye area? To set my base, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light. So first going to make sure that if there are any creases, it's so I'm just blending it away. And then I'm going to apply powder in the beauty sponge itself. For eyebrows guys, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Eyebrow Palette. This has actually got 3 products, like there's one darker shade to put it in the outer corners of the brows for the inner brows, and there's a wax as well, but I've never used the wax guys, so I'm just going to use this. I'm taking a spoolie and just combing my eyes as usual, and then filling in the gaps very naturally. Taking the darker shade and putting it in the outer corners of the brow, and taking the lighter shade, dabbing the extra and then filling in the gaps. I'm also going to comb my eyebrow as I go because that disperses the product really beautifully. So I'm just doing that. So for bronzing my face, I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm going to bronze my face up. This definitely gives a nice glow to your face, and also it defines your face. It gives good definition to your face as well, guys. Putting it on the forehead as well. Sides of the forehead. And for eyes, I'm not going to do anything, guys. No eyeshadow, nothing. I'm just going to use Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner, waterproof eyeliner on my lid. I'm going to create a very thin winged liner. So I'm going to use that product. So I've created a nice thin wing liner, so it looks gorgeous. And for my waterline, I'm going to be using a kajal. That is from K Beauty, guys. So this is Raven Hue, K Beauty Raven Hue. So I'm going to put this kajal in my waterline, and I'm not going to smudge or anything. Just put it in the waterline. Do you see that? Eyes look very gorgeous. So I'm going to do that to the other eyes as well. So before applying mascara, as always, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I'll put it in my upper lashes and the lower lashes. Guys, this is such a simple look. You can achieve this look in less than 10 minutes. Since I'm talking and I'm explaining to you, it takes a lot of time. But actually no, you can finish off this look very soon. Like within 10 minutes. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution blush palette. So this is how it looks. This is in the shade Blush Goddess. Guys, I'll put all the information in the description box below for you guys. So I'm going to take these two shades. I'm going to take these two shades, this and this, both these shades, and I'm going to mix it up and then apply it on my cheeks. Smile, and then I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. Such a gorgeous shade. Also on my nose. And I'm going to take this shade, this yellowish goldeny sort of shade, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes. It just lifts and brightens up your eyes, so I'm just going to do that. Just a little bit. So again, I'm going to take the same shade and I just put it in the high points, not everywhere, just on my nose. Little bit. Tip out the nose, on my chin, Cupid's bow. I'm not going to do it on my cheeks because I want to be matte. So I'm not going to do that. And guys, I feel like my eyes look very plain. So what I'm going to do, the blush that I've used from the same blush palette, I'm going to take that and blend it in my eyes. So that you get a nice flush of color on your eyes. Just blend it on the crease. Nothing crazy. That's it. I'm not going to do a lot of blending or nothing. Just put little bit of the same blush color that you have used from the palette, from the same blush palette, and blend it well. That's it. This just takes less than 30 seconds, guys, to do. But doing this just pulls the look together. So try doing this. Whatever blush you're using, just put it in the crease as well, so it just pulls the look together. So, and guys, for lips, I want something very, very glossy, juicy. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to take this Posse tint. This is from the brand called Benefit. I have a lot of tints. I have Benny tint, I have Cha Cha tint, and this is called Posse tint. It's a nice pinkish shade. Just going to shake the bottle really well. And first I'll be applying this all over my lips and blend it well with my finger. This gives a nice pink tint, bubblegum pink, Barbie pink tint to your lips. Honestly guys, you just can leave it just like that because it looks beautiful. But I want this look to be a little bit juicy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply a gloss which is from Dior. This is Dior Addict in the shade Fancy. So this is how it looks. Do you see that? How gorgeous this looks. And this, guys, is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all like it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to post your valuable comments because I love reading them as usual, and it means the world to me. And a very, 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 very happy Diwali to everyone celebrating. Enjoy your day with your near and dear ones, and yeah, I'll hopefully catch you all guys in my next interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.